Recommended dietary allowances, or RDAs, are not just numbers on a nutrition label, they are the cornerstone of a healthy diet. RDAs are established through a comprehensive review of scientific evidence on nutrient requirements and their impact on health. Expert panels consider factors such as age, gender, life stage, physiological status, and dietary habits when setting these recommendations. The goal is to provide guidance that promotes optimal health and reduces the risk of nutrient deficiencies and related health conditions. Established by panels of experts, RDAs guide us on the daily intake of essential nutrients necessary for the well-being of most people across various age and gender groups. Recommended dietary allowances, RDAs, play a crucial role in guiding individuals toward achieving optimal nutrition and maintaining overall health. In this article, we'll explore the significance of RDAs, how they are determined, and practical tips for meeting these guidelines to support your well-being. They are meticulously crafted to prevent nutritional deficiencies and reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with poor diet. In the realm of online healthcare services, RDAs play a pivotal role. In today's digital age, accessing personalized nutritional advice has never been easier. Telemedicine and virtual care platforms connect individuals with registered dietitians and nutritionists who can offer tailored dietary recommendations based on individual needs and goals. Whether you're seeking guidance on managing a specific health condition or optimizing your overall nutrition, online consultants can provide expert support and accountability to help you achieve your desired outcomes. At Everblink Healthcare Pvt. We integrate RDAs into our virtual consultations, ensuring that our clients receive evidence-based dietary advice tailored to their unique health goals. Whether it's weight management, chronic conditions, or general wellness, RDAs are instrumental in shaping our recommendations. Personalization is at the heart of our service. We understand that each individual has distinct dietary needs, and that's why we customize our guidance, making our clients feel valued and cared for. By leveraging RDAs, we provide dietary plans that resonate with personal health objectives, fostering a sense of empowerment and commitment to one's health journey. RDAs encompass the spectrum of nutrients vital for maintaining a healthy body: vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and fiber. Each nutrient plays a specific role, and a balanced diet rich in these elements can optimize nutritional intake. It's not just about eating, it's about nourishing the body with what it truly needs. Eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Pay attention to portion sizes to ensure you're consuming adequate amounts of essential nutrients without overeating. Include sources of calcium, vitamin D, and other bone-building nutrients to support skeletal health. Choose lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, beans, and tofu to meet protein requirements without excess saturated fat. Limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive sodium intake, which can contribute to chronic health conditions when consumed in excess. Incorporating these practical tips into your daily routine can help you meet RDAs and support your overall health and well-being. Remember that individual nutrient needs may vary based on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and health status, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance tailored to your unique needs. With the right approach to nutrition and the support of telemedicine and virtual care services, you can take proactive steps toward achieving your health goals and optimizing your quality of life. At Everblink Healthcare Pvt. We believe in empowering individuals to make informed choices about their diet and lifestyle. Everblink Healthcare Pvt. Offers online healthcare services that include nutritional assessments to evaluate your current dietary intake and identify areas for improvement. Through virtual consultations with healthcare providers, you can receive personalized recommendations to optimize your nutrition and support your overall health and wellness goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve energy levels, or enhance athletic performance, our team of experts is here to help you succeed. By incorporating RDAs into our online healthcare services, we provide educational materials, personalized diet plans, and access to our expert team through virtual consultations. Our goal is to assist clients in achieving their health and wellness aspirations, using RDAs as a foundation for lifelong well-being. In conclusion, recommended dietary allowances are a vital tool for promoting nutrition and enhancing health. As we expand our online healthcare services, we remain committed to integrating RDAs into our personalized care approach. By harnessing the power of RDAs, we equip people to make transformative changes to their nutritional habits, paving the way for improved health and vitality for all. Let's embrace the strength of RDAs and elevate our collective well-being.